so LWC. What is the full form of LWC? Anyone can highlight? Full form of LWC.
Lightning Web Component.
Yes. Okay, full form of LWC is Lightning Web Component. Mainly it is used to design. It is used to design. Okay, front end UI in LWC. Okay, then we can deploy it to Experience Cloud. Okay, then we can deploy based on the client requirements. We can deploy it to Experience Cloud. Then customers can able to see that appropriate sites. Like for example, we have different sites like HDFC Bank portal. Like how the customers can be able to see the components. Okay, means some of the developer had been deployed to Experience Cloud. They can able to see. If they did not deploy to Experience Cloud, they cannot be able to see. Okay, some of the LWC component will be deployed into backend. Okay, some of the LWC component will be deployed into front end based on the requirements. Based on the requirements, whatever it may be, it will be proceeded. Yeah. So what I'll going to discuss as like LWC. Okay, I'll give the interview questions, and also we'll design two projects which are deployed to Experience Cloud. Okay, which are deployed to Experience Cloud also at the end. Okay, so coming to the today's class, mainly in 2010, Visual Force Pages has been introduced. In 2010, Visual Force Pages, VF Pages has been introduced. Okay, it is an older framework, I told you. In 2014, ARA component has been introduced. It is also older. Even VF Pages is somewhat useful, but ARA component is nowhere. It is not been useful in present days. ARA components in 2019, LWC has been introduced. From there onwards, LWC had been started their journey. So in each and every project, LWC has been using. Yeah, in each and every project. Even when you're going to any of the interview, I'm saying damn sure they will ask you the LWC questions. Like for example, if you are a fresher or whatever it may be, or you are an experienced person, whatever it may be, like whatever the things, okay, whatever the things. Yeah, whatever the things. Okay, if you given a good idea on LWC, definitely it's a good practice. Okay, definitely it's a good practice. Definitely I'm saying you. Okay, like definitely there is a selections in the interviews. Yeah, if you given a better LWC in your whatever it may be, if you given a better performance, like in scenarios, whatever it may be, if you given a better performance in LWC, it should be definitely selection should be guaranteed. Yeah, I want to convey. So what I'll discuss in the coming classes. Yeah, like first of all, I'll start with LWC basics. Coming to LWC basics, I use it to discuss about some first of all, because like I use it to proceed with the interviews, and as compared to previous year the things are different. Okay, here after completion of each module, in that particular module, if there is any interview questions related to that, I'll give the interview questions on each and every module basis. Okay, then it should be very easy for you. Okay, after each and every module, you'll prepare for the interviews also. Yeah. Introduction to LWC and difference between. What is the main difference between ARA and LWC? And also I use it to convey about the decorators. It's very important with different examples. At the rate of API, at the rate of track, at the rate of while. Okay, like on each and every decorator, I use it to give different types of examples. I'm saying again, on each and every decorator, I use it to give some examples. Okay, on each and every decorator. When I'm explaining LWC basic, okay, I'll create one application. Inside that particular application, I'll create one tab. Means in your further reference, okay, I'm saying again, the people who are using your arc, so kindly please keep your arc. Okay, because it's like a permanent org, whatever it may be, not 30 days free trial edition. Whatever the org which I'm showing you, it will be helpful for you in future also. That's why I'm saying you. Everyone. Okay, like here we have getters, different types of examples, and template if true and template if false. Anyone know if else statements in Apex programming? If else statements. If else. Am I audible to you? Anyone know about if else statements? I'm not getting any response.
Apex, right? Apex. Yeah.
Yes, Apex if else statements. Shreyas, how Tanu.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, like we have template if run, template if false statements. Okay, I'll discuss about with different examples. Okay, like template for each loop. Okay, it's like a for each loop which is been presented inside your Apex programming. Yeah, this is nothing but template for each loop. Yeah, and also I use it to discuss about iterator, template iterator with different examples on each and every scenarios. Okay, when I'm discussing LWC basics, okay, I'll create a separate tab. Inside particular tab, I'll create each and everything. See, when you click on show product detail, these are the assignments I'm giving you. Okay, I'm clicking on file. See, like this alert messages, each and everything with different types of scenarios I use it to give. Yeah. Okay, in LWC, different types of scenarios will be covered. Yeah. I'm expecting everyone to practice at the time. Even you did not practice on your previous classes also, but in LWC, for example, if I completed some topic means practice on that day only. Max try to complete that practice on that day only. If you done like that only, then you'll be perfect in LWC. I'm saying guarantee this particular point. Yeah. And also let me try to explain about means how to involve one component inside another component and styles in LWC. Definitely, whether you design any project, any LWC component, whatever it may be, you need to apply some styling. Then only it will make customer to attractive. Everyone will agree with this point. Everyone will agree this point.
Yes.
Definitely, you need to apply styling. Then only okay UI will be good. Like the look and feel is will be good for the customers. Okay, you need to apply styling. So when I'm designing the styles in LWC, again I use it to create one separate module, like separate tab for each and everything. I'll create a separate tabs. Yeah, like this. See, for example, if I clicked on 100, see 100% dynamically it is been increasing like this. Some of them things here what I'm showing, I think everyone able to see. Previously this LWC learning is red color, but if I hovered my mouse, immediately it is been highlighted to green color. See, like this, different types of scenarios. For example, here I'm entering active, immediately it will be highlighted. So other message. For example, if it's active, see success, like this. I'll discuss different types of scenarios. And here I'm entering the name. These are the some of the things are assignments, and some other things I use it to teach you. Immediately alert message I'm getting when the user clicked on submit button. Yeah, then customer can verify whether the details are correct or wrong. Like this. And input boxes. I think we are very familiar. Even you are like for example, you are interested in some bank account. You are creating a bank account in one of the application, like whatever it may be. Definitely you'll go to the near to the bank and you'll fill all the details. Then sales agent will fill all the details. Your first name, last name, email, age. These are all the things. Age is nothing but date of birth. Like this. I'll help you to design. You can easily design it. Okay. I'll give you some examples. After that, I'll give you assignments. Okay. What are the assignments which I given? Definitely, you'll easily design the things. Yeah. And also after that, I use it to explain about component communication. I'm saying again on each and every topic basis, I'll give you the different types of scenarios. And also after completion of each and every module, I'll give the interview questions also for each and every module. Definitely will be going to be happen. And another thing is after completion of all the LWC classes, like I'll take a resume session. Yeah, resume session means how to keep your resume and how to keep your projects in the resume. Everything end to end I'll complete. Okay, after completion of the LWC classes. What are the projects you need to keep? For example, if you keep that particular projects means how you need to explain in front of the interviewer. Okay, like which questions they will ask in the interview. I had a good experience on each and every part. I'll explain each and everything in the coming classes. Yeah, because after completion of this LWC, everyone will going to be attend for the interviews. Definitely. That's why I'll going to be convey each and everything in the coming classes. As like previous, like what I had been told in development admin, I completed. In the similar way in LWC also, perfectly it will be completed in on time. Okay, I'll discuss about a component communication. Like Tanu, I'll ask you one question for Tanu. Tanu, am I audible? Tanu.
Yes, Venkat.
Tanu, we have a single LWC component or we have multiple LWC components? Normally,
Mm,
as per your request, whatever it may be.
uh, maybe
Whatever it
single.
may be answer, no worries. No, no. We have a multiple LWC component because multiple client requirements are there. Okay. So whenever if
Mm-hmm.
you have multiple LWC component, definitely we need to communicate. Sometimes we need to communicate from one LWC component to another LWC component. Everyone will agree this point. Means we need to communicate from one LWC component to another LWC component. Okay. By using this component communication, we can communicate. There are different types of stages are there here. So we have parent to child communication. Under this, I'll discuss different scenarios. And we have child to parent communication is there. Like by using custom events. Here also some of the scenarios, like 4 to 5 scenarios. Under parent to child also 3 to 4 scenarios I use it to going to be conveyed. Also I'll give the assignments regularly. Okay, like independent component communication. Okay, independent component communication means there is no relationship in between one component and another component. Okay, we will use LMS. LMS is nothing but lightning message service. Okay, it will be asked in the interviews also. And PubSub. PubSub is an older approach nowadays. We are not using. Okay, only we are using for independent component communication. We are using only LMS. That's it. Okay. So when I'm discussing this particular component communication, I'll discuss a separate module. Where is component communication? Like this. Like if you created like this means it will be very easy for you in your future classes. Okay, like future reference, further reference. Yeah, if I clicked on decrease, everyone able to see. If I clicked on increase, everyone able to see the data is increasing as like a player. If I clicked on decrease, immediately volume increase is decreasing to volume decrease. Everything what I'm showing, each and everything pin to pin explanation will be definitely is there. And employee name I'm entering as like a Michael. If the customer entered like this, okay, like employee phone. Okay, employee city. If I clicked on submit, see, Michael, are you able to see immediately the data is been storing on the lightning data table? Yeah, everything will be discussed. Even from start to end, everything I'll discuss. Okay, like this. If it's a component, yeah, and LMS also I'll discuss. When I'm discussing LMS, again I'll create a sub component, whatever it may be. Apart from this, I'll give the regular assignments also for your further practice. Hi, I'm LWC component. You can able to see if I subscribed means I'll receive the notification. See if I clicked on publish means LWC ARA Visual Force everywhere it will receive. Yes, everyone able to see. I received the data. Everyone able to see this.
Yes, yes, Venkat.
Okay, like this. Okay, and I'll discuss you after completion of each and every module which type of interview questions are being expected on this module, which type of scenario based questions are being expected this particular module. Each and everything I'll explain you. Then after completion of the classes, maybe the people who has been kept some extra time to practice that particular thing also. Definitely, either your 9 years, 10 years, any type of experience, any type guarantee will get placed. I will give guarantee either any companies. Yeah. Because they'll test LWC definitely. If you are good in LWC, there are good chances on your selection. And another thing is after component communication, I use it to discuss about uh, like we have navigation services. Let me try to discuss nine scenarios. Under these 9 scenarios, only 2 to 3 scenarios are very important. 2 to 3 scenarios are important. Okay, for your projects as well as interviews. I'll tell you. Okay, for example, what is the scenarios? Okay, I'll ask you one thing. Like anyone can answer. For example, Shreyas, kindly please unmute your mic, Shreyas. For example, if you visited to the bank, okay, like
Yes.
you're interested in some bank account in that particular bank. Okay, for example, just imagine HDFC Bank. Hello. 1 minute, team. 1 minute. Vinil, I'm sending you the link. 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, some people missed the class. That's why they contacted. Okay, no worries. Let me try to continue. Shreyas, am I audible?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, for example, if you visited to any insurance, for example, you're interested for insurance, okay, like just you want to take some insurance, okay, health insurance or something. Like they will ask your details, like your name, okay, your like your phone number, your email, and also they will enter your gender, and also they will enter your date of birth, and they will click on next, okay, they'll click on next. What will happen? Again, new page will be opened.
Yes.
Okay, like what are the new page? New page in terms like personal information.
Personally.
Okay, personal info. Okay, inside the personal info, they use it to enter your Aadhaar details, whatever it may be. Like they will ask your address details, each and everything. Okay, like means again if they clicked on next, again new screen means we are getting new screen means we are navigating from one component to another component. Okay, like this in real time, like this only it should be going to be happen. Okay, after that, okay, if they submitted, if they clicked on submit, what will be happen if they clicked on submit? Then data will be saved to the Salesforce database.
Yes.
Pankaj, kindly please join the class. Send it the link. Okay, if they clicked on submit. Okay, if I clicked on submit, immediately some alert message are used to become. Okay, like success notification. Okay, regarding your data has been submitted. Like that, we'll get the success notification. Whatever it may, we'll get the success notification. Or like regarding your details had been saved successfully, or your account has been created successfully, and you'll get some email notification also. Okay, like with your account details, whatever it may be. Yeah, like this, the structure is used to be. How to design like this structure? Means we are navigating. Okay, we are navigating from one, like how to navigate everything. Okay, how to navigate. I'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss with different scenarios. Okay, we'll discuss each and everything. This is very important. Okay, from the 9 scenario, this is also one scenario. Okay, this is also one scenario. Everyone is understanding what I'm discussing. Okay, some of the people had been joined late. Okay, I think Pankaj and Vinila. No worries, like it's 20 minutes. Just I'm discussing about some introduction. Okay, the recording is available after completion of the class. Recording will be uploaded. Once please watch the recording. Just only I'm discussing the introduction, how to go into the introduction in coming classes. That's it. Like what about LWC? What are the topics I'm going to be discussing in the LWC? That's it I'm discussing. Yeah. After that, I'll discuss about resource, component, context, and notification. Okay, like I want to convey one thing. Vanilla, like for example, if you open any website, okay, so images will be uploaded in that particular website or not? Images. In that appropriate website, images are there or not? Vanilla. Hello, Vanilla. Vanilla. I think I'm asking some question. Mohammed. Am I audible, Mohammed?
Yeah, you're audible.
Like for example, if you created some website, its images are presented or not? Like for example,
Yeah,
you are designing some e-commerce.
images are
Okay,
present.
e-commerce.
Images are present.
Definitely, yes, yes, definitely images are been there. By using images
Mm.
only, the particular website makes interactive or attractive, whatever it may be. Yeah.
Mm.
Under this, let me try to discuss each and every scenarios. Okay, when I'm discussing this particular module, let me try to discuss 7 to 8 scenarios here. Like how to importing images in LWC, and how to how to connect a third party, okay, third party CSS or JS, okay, with LWC. And also let me try to discuss about a toast notifications, and also let me try to discuss about, like, there are some other topics. I'll show you what I'll discuss when I'm creating this particular topic. Okay, I'll create a tab. Okay, my particular tab name is, what is my tab name? Resource component S. Okay, I'll create a tab. See, everyone able to see the images? For example, if I click on download immediately, okay, it's like when you are filling an agreement, immediately when you click on download, immediately the agreement paper will be downloaded. Okay, like this. Agreement PDF. Okay, if you clicked on this message, everyone able to see. I think when you're creating some account, if you clicked on save, immediately some toast notification like this. Anyone observed this? Anyone observed this green color message? Michael.
Yes, Venkat, yeah.
Yeah, like this we'll observe regularly. Okay, how to create this type of, these notifications are nothing but a toast notifications. Okay, toast notifications. I'm saying again. Okay, like everyone I'm discussing, everyone. Okay, like whatever the things which I'm discussing in the classes. Okay, what you are learning. Okay, after completion of the classes, if you got any type of scenario, I'm saying 80 to 90% of the code we can find in Google. Only 10% we can apply. Okay, from our own. From our classes, you can know. Like for example, if you got any scenario from your client, okay, so you can easily navigate and you can take the code and you can explain it to anyone, whatever it may be, definitely. And also, for example, if you got one scenario, how to approach that particular scenario, how to complete that particular scenario, easily you'll get an idea because we are discussing multiple scenarios with multiple examples. Definitely, these classes will give you a better idea on each and every part. I'll give you guarantee on this particular thing. Okay, after completion of this, I'm going to discuss about after completion of the resource component context and notification. Let me try to discuss about there are some other topics are there. Apex. Okay, like how to import Apex programming, import Apex programming to, and how to use imperative methods in LWC. And also how to discuss about wire adapters. Okay, like with property and wire adapters with functions. Okay, and in the similarly, after completion of the Apex in LWC, I'll discuss you the interview questions. Okay, like as compared previous also I told you. After, and I think Vinila and Pankaj has been joined newly. I'm saying, okay, on each and every module, I'll give the interview questions. Okay, Vinila, after completion of each and every module, I'll give the interview questions. Okay, like after completion of each and every module, like
Okay.
it's related to your interview questions. In the similar way, it's related to your scenario-based questions also. Okay, then you can keep some extra time to practice. Like after completion of each module, then definitely, so it will be easy for you after completion of whole LWC classes. Okay, that is the thing I want to convey. Here also in Apex in LWC, which interview questions have been asked, which scenario based questions will be asked. Definitely after completion of this module, I'll explain. Okay, then you can practice based on that. Like it should be very easy for you. Like instead of practicing whole things, okay, by dividing each and every module, if you practice it, that particular things means it's very easy for you in upcoming classes, like upcoming interviews, whatever it may be, because everyone after completion of the class everyone will appear for the interviews. Yeah, so when I'm discussing Apex in LWC, I'll create a separate module. Yes, everyone able to see? I think here the data is not displaying. For example, if it like health, like just imagine the same LWC component. Like for example, if the customer like sales agent has selected the health insurance, okay, immediately we'll get the related health insurance people, whatever it may be available. For example, if they selected some bike insurance, immediately the people who are related to bike insurance, they use it to get the details. For example, if I clicked on show accounts, like immediately the accounts related, I'm clicking on hide accounts like this. Everything, let me try to explain. Yeah, and also I'll give the assignments. After completion of each and every module, we'll give the assignments also. I'll discuss about Lightning Data Service. Lightning Data Service is nothing but, okay, like same scenario, I'm saying again, same scenario we can implement in multiple ways. Okay, like Lightning Data Service is also one of the way to implement that particular scenarios. Lightning Data Service means creating some input forms without using Lightning hyphen input. I'll show you how the things. Like for example, here I'm entering some data. Okay, like we have like vanilla. I'm entering some vanilla record, vanilla. Okay, and also I'm entering type. Okay, prospect, industry. I'm entering each and every details like banking. If I clicked on save, see everyone able to see some toast notification has been came. So like this is one type of everything I'll discuss. And also vanilla record has been created for the database also. So here we have lightning record form. And also we have lightning record view form. And also we have lightning record edit form. Okay, everything I use it to discuss. In the upcoming classes, everything I use it to discuss about lightning record form, lightning record form. Apart from this, I use it to going to be discuss other things also. Like we have Tetli. I think everyone know, okay, how to design this type of form. I'll give the assignments after completion of my lightning data service. You can do this assignment definitely. Okay, you can do this assignment definitely. No worries, you can do this. I'll make you to design like this. And Tetli, so we have Himalayan. I think Himalayan there is no contact as form. Yeah, they deleted recently. I'll give the different scenarios. Okay, you'll practice that particular scenarios. If you given practice also on the assignments, definitely it should be good practice for you. Yeah. After completion of this, I use it to explain about book listing API integrating. Okay, like integrating with external API and to displaying that response, integrating with external API. For example, if I typed some Salesforce, immediately you'll get the books related to the Salesforce. Yes, everyone able to say I got the books related to the Salesforce means I'm integrating with external API. For example, if you typed Java, you'll get the books related to the Java. Okay, means I'm integrating with the Salesforce. Okay, with external systems, whatever it may be, and displaying that particular output from that API. Okay, let me try to discuss this scenario also. And this is one scenario. And also after that, let me try to discuss Experience Cloud. If you learn entire LWC, Experience Cloud is easy, very easy. Okay, the first one is a traveling website. The second one is Health Cloud application. Okay, these two applications I'm going to be teaching. One is traveling application, one is Health Cloud application. Everyone able to see the traveling application? Like just normally make my trip I mentioned. Okay, all the objects I'm imported here. Okay, accounts, everything. Like from this particular experience cloud the customer created. Like if sales manager created any account. Let's see whether the details are created or not. See if you click on new. The same page it will be open. Means customer is creating the account, not customer sales manager. Because sales manager does not have any familiarity in the Salesforce. Everyone able to see vanilla has been created from our customer portal. If the data has been created from the customer portal, immediately under the backend also it will be created. If the data has been created under the backend, immediately front end, immediately it will be created under the backend also. Yeah, this is the thing. If you click on home, you can able to see how to design the pages. Like for example, if you click on invoice, immediately invoices related article will be going to be shown. Yeah. Okay, if you want to contact the support team. Okay, because I don't have an access, that's why. Okay, if you given an access to this particular community, you can able to see. For example, if you want to open it, desktop, mobile. You can able to see in mobile like this. Okay, no need to create a separate code for mobile. Same code it will be applied for mobile also. And also let me try to design for another scenario which is related to health cloud. Yes, this is the thing. There are two websites. I think when I don't want to explore the client. When I'm dealing with one of the client, we design this health cloud applications like this. Okay, if you want to customize means you can customize according to your requirement. According to your requirement, you can customize your application. You can create an LWC component. You can place your LWC component here. Okay, just you can drag and drop. Okay, if you place it the drag and drop feature, immediately the whatever the LWC component you designed, immediately it will be applied onto that appropriate screens. Yeah, these are the two applications I told you previously. After completion of each module, we'll give the interview questions and scenarios. If there is a scenarios will be asked, then there is, and we'll discuss the scenarios also. This is the thing. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Mohammed, Michael, Tanu, Shreyas, Vinila, Pankaj. Anyone have any queries? Is it clear? Just only introduction today. Introduction. What I'll teach in the coming classes. That's it. Anyone have any queries?
Venkat,
Michael?
with prerequisite
Yes.
anything we need to know about it.
Yeah, prerequisite. No, like I'll tomorrow onwards I'll start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No worries. Everything I'll teach. There is no prerequisite for this. If you know basic Apex programming, it's fine. Yeah. Shreyas,
That
any queries? Michael, you are saying something.
editor, which editor to use this one?
So we'll use LWC console. Okay, and also we'll use Visual Studio Code. Also, I'll explain you. Okay, I'll
Okay.
explain the things. No worries.
Okay.
Shreyas, you have any queries?
No, Venkat.
Okay. And vanilla, I given an access for the drive and vanilla,
Mm.
I will add to the WhatsApp group also. I did not have number. So now you
Okay.
message me, I'll add you to the WhatsApp group also, vanilla, after completion of the class.
Okay. Okay.
Any queries, vanilla?
Oh, no, no. I just
Yeah.
continue in the middle.
Yeah, no worries, vanilla. Just only introduction. Once please watch the recording of first 20 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, vanilla. Pankaj, any queries? Pankaj, any queries?
No, no, no.
Okay. Okay, team. Okay, this is about some introduction to LWC. Okay, just only discussing about what we are going to be teaching the upcoming classes. Okay, and anyone remember like I completed development plus integration, but I did not discuss interview questions. Okay, let me try to discuss some interview questions for 10 to 15 minutes. 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. I prepared interview questions. I did not upload it. I'll upload it. Yeah. Yeah, is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, in interviews. Okay, in interviews. Okay, they will ask you. 1 minute. I think now it's fine. Again, I'm sharing. Yeah. Yes. Everyone able to see the screen? Yeah. In interviews, they will ask you, first of all, you need to, whenever you're going to the interviews, first of all, you need to mainly concentrate on the triggers part. Okay, some theoretical questions. Okay, what is difference between the before event and after event? What is trigger handler class? What are the trigger context variables? What are the trigger events? Okay, what are the best practices of the triggers? Okay, like what are the order of execution of triggers? What is the difference between the trigger.new, trigger.old? Okay, definitely trigger coding questions will be asked in the interview. I given some scenarios, okay, like whatever it may be in our previous classes. Kindly please practice that particular scenarios. Okay, everyone, I'm saying. Okay, what is bypass validation rules? How to bypass validation rule for 10 users in Salesforce? Like this, okay? Like in asynchronous and synchronous also, definitely they will ask you the questions. Okay, like batch apex, schedule apex, future method. What is batch apex? Okay, what is queuable method? Each and everything. Okay, explain the process. Like how the process, how the start method will execute, how the finish method executes. Okay, how the finish method executes, everything will be asked. Okay, what is database.stateful? I think I explained each and everything with scenarios. Kindly please revise it. Okay, like it's like one line answer. What are the interfaces available? What is feature method? What are the drawbacks of feature method? What is queuable method? What is schedule apex? Everything. Sometimes they will ask you the syntax of batch apex. That's it. Mostly they will ask the syntax of batch apex. Okay, you can write the syntax. Everything I designed you. And also exceptional handling. What are the type of exception that you faced in the real time? They will ask you, definitely they will ask you, like you can tell them call out exception, like too many SQL queries, too many DML statements, like this you need to convey. Okay. Too many DML statements means only 150 DML statements are possible. Okay. Because due to governor limits limitation for one Apex class. If you cross more than 150 DML statement, then it is used to occur this error. Like if you told that insufficient funds exception like this. And coming to basics of Salesforce, you'll not get the questions, but please study, okay, study well. And SOQL and SOSL, sometimes you'll get some query, okay, they will give you a query and they will ask you to write. Okay, they will ask you to write the query, okay, not a difficult level query, it's easy level query only. They will ask you, what is the difference between SOQL? What are the drawbacks of DML statements? What is the use of database.error? Like this, they will ask you different questions. And test classes. What are the best practice of test classes? Okay, what is the use of at the rate of test setup? Okay, what is C at the rate of C all data is equal to true? What are the best practices of Apex programming with sharing? Everything they will ask you. In VF pages, they will not ask you. Maybe they'll ask you these two questions. That's it. I'll give you these questions. Kindly please study well. Okay, everyone. And also integration. Also, they will ask you the question. Like just normally they will ask you what is JSON generator. Like Michael, can you please tell me what is JSON parser? What is JSON parser, Michael?
JSON parser will used to for deserializing the JSON object.
Yes, it's correct. Like getting the data from the Salesforce, we are converting the JSON format into our own format, which is nothing but JSON deserialization. Okay, and also we have REST context class. Difference between the REST API and SOAP API. Okay, sometimes they will ask you what is OAuth authentication, what is remote site settings. Okay, what is the use of remote site settings, Shreyas? Mainly to place the external URL. I think I discussed about postal API scenario on that particular time. Just I placed that particular postal API. Okay, and named credentials. Named credentials are nothing but okay, like to store the username and password. Like in Apex class in postal API, I stored set endpoint. Okay, set method like this to store your username and password securely. Okay, and connected app. What is difference between authentication and authorization? Everything. What are the steps you follow for this OAuth authentication? I did not discuss. I'll discuss. I'll discuss. Okay, I'll discuss. Like maybe next Saturday, not this Saturday, next Saturday, I'll discuss about this OAuth authentication. Okay, for 40 to 50 minutes, I'll discuss this. And another thing, you had been implemented any real-time scenarios in integration. Mostly, just you can tell that, okay, I completed integration. I'll tell you on OAuth authentication after completion of OAuth authentication, how to explain this question also, I'll tell you the answer. What is OAuth authentication? User future column. This is the thing. I'll discuss you. Okay, some two or three, one scenario did not explained on Saturday class. Next Saturday, I'll discuss class for 40 to 50 minutes. Don't worry. I'll explain each and everything. Yeah, this is about the thing. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Tanu, Shreyas, Mohammed, Pavani, Michael, Vinil. Anyone have any queries?
No, Venkat.
Okay,
Yeah.
like kindly please tell me, so I'll follow this. Okay, like we completed some admin development plus integration, so many things. Okay, I'll define the different types of sets: set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5, set 6, like this. Okay, like for each week I'll give some set of questions to you. Okay, like after completion of the week I will ask anyone, either I'll ask Michael, either I'll ask Tanu, either I will ask Pavani, like that, like interview questions. Is it good for us? For every week I'll take some 10 to 15 minutes. Like before that week I'll give you, okay, in your WhatsApp groups I'll post you that questions. Okay, I'm expecting answers from you. Like please study well for the 5 days. Okay, at least for 20 to 30 minutes every day. Like I'll ask the questions. Is it okay for everyone? After completion of the week, every week one
Yeah.
set.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
Venkat.
means like it should be good practice for you in your interviews. It's a like very easy for you can crack any interviews. Tanu, is it okay? Shreyas, Vinila.
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah,
Yes,
Okay,
Venkat.
Venkat.
definitely. Kindly please follow it. The next 1 month, I'll give you like I designed a proper schedule. Okay, I have some plans. Kindly please follow it. Definitely, you will get easily crack the interview after completion of the classes. Definitely, yeah. This is about today's class team. Okay, tomorrow onwards the classes will be continued as usual. Kindly please join the classes. Okay, like and I designed some schedule. This Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there is a class, but Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, I'll give you all the interview questions. Kindly please prepare the interview questions and again come on Monday. Okay, then the classes will be continued as usual. Okay, I prepared some schedule. Okay, I'll explain you the schedule. No worries. Yeah, maybe next 1 month. Okay, 30 to 40 days the next classes are there. I'll give you a proper schedule. Kindly please prepare it. Definitely will crack for the interviews. Yeah, this is about today's class team. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards the class will be at the same timings. Kindly please join the class. This is about today's class. Thank you team, thank you.